So modern. Right. You just get a tan. Yes. Very nice. No mold and mildew and all. This is the entrance.
First time here?
Yes, first time. When did this open?
This is just 1 year and 1 month here.
Oh, okay. In the island? Nice. I love new. Wow, look at the water park. A young kid would love this. I have to tell her to Danny. That's the rear entrance to the main lobby. If you have any front desk issues, that's where you'd go. Is it 14 minutes? Let me check. Hold this. What were you saying? Okay, great. Great for my YouTube channel too.
Oh, there. See, check it.
Show it. Oh, those are the swim up pool rooms. Yeah, nice. Yeah. This is where the gym is located. They also have a spa in the same building. Here we're riding alongside the lazy river, which we didn't really get to enjoy until towards the end of our trip, but here is a view of the ocean. There are hammocks in the water out in the sea. It's really nice and relaxing. I don't know anything about that when I was looking.
Oh, that we ain't.
The restaurant that we're driving past is called Red Snapper. It's right on the ocean, so you get some lovely views when you're dining in that restaurant.
Alright, so over there is a jerk button.
Nice.
Hmm?
Yeah. And you have water sports here. Okay. So we were staying close to the jerk side. That's good. My son loves jerk chicken.
You love jerk chicken?
My son, yeah. I eat food, any food. I love everything.
Where are you from? You're from here, right?
I'm from New York, but my parents are Jamaican. My mom's from Hanover, my father's from Rockwood. Where are you from? Trelawney?
Discovery Bay.
Oh, Ochi side. That's where we're coming from.
Alright, so we're gonna go up in the elevator to the fifth floor.
My mom's forced me to do this. Bossman, second. Me, sexy. You already know. What's this? Ooh, nice toilet. Okay. Hold on. I like it. I like it. Hold it in, you know. And this is... Oh, this is shit. I like that. I like that. That's neat. It's neat. This is the bathtub. Coffee thing. Me. Closet. Bed. TV. Amazing. Couch. Desk. Table. Me again. And is the life.
Okay, so this is day I don't know, maybe day 21. We've been in Jamaica since the 20th of January. It's been a while. But we just checked into the Ocean Coral Spring in Trelawney, Jamaica. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the room so you can check everything out with me. Okay, so this is the door. It's navy blue. It's a wooden door and they painted it navy blue. You enter the room and there's a closet here with wooden shelving and drawers for storage. As soon as you enter, it's gorgeous. It's a pretty nice closet. I don't see a safe yet, but we'll find it. So, you enter the room, and the first thing that we have here is the bathroom. This is my travel outfit today. We're traveling from Ocho Rios, from Runaway Bay to Trelawney. This is the tub, the tiles on the wall. There's a jacuzzi tub, and then they give you a bunch of towels, which I love. There's a blow dryer, and actually there's a scale as well. I'm so excited about that. It's my Chelsea mask. So yeah, we have a bunch of stuff here, shampoos and conditioners and all that good stuff on the counter. There's a flexible mirror you can use. Did I mention they give you a blow dryer? Yes, I did. Here's the shower. There's a rain shower in here, as well as a little storage space for your body wash and soaps and shampoos and stuff like that. I love their tile choice. It's very tropical, fun, and cool. Here we have a restroom with a floating toilet. This looks like it has 2 flush buttons on top. You know, 1 and 2. Cool painting in the restroom. There's also a phone in the restroom. I guess you can call the front desk. And it's sort of frosted and striped on the walls. Here we have, oh, there's the safe. Okay, so we have a safe, additional storage. There's a refrigerator that we need to get stocked. They stock your fridge complimentary here. So we need to stock it up. Here we have a second closet. Oh, there's a steamer. This is so cool. And a sewing kit. This is amazing. This is truly amazing. You know how many times you lose buttons and stuff like that? A shoe polisher. When you're on vacation, where you need something just to be fixed a little. There's an amazing, there is an umbrella. They've included an umbrella in this side of the closet. You made me have to disconnect. My son was standing in this closet, scared the living crap out of me, so I had to stop recording. But yeah, so this is a huge, like, golf umbrella. Looks brand new. No one's ever used it. Here in the closet, which is cool, because you know when it rains on tropical islands, sometimes it can be very, very serious. So this is the room. How do we adjust the lights? Let's see if we can turn the lights on in here. There are lights. What did I just do? I don't know how to get this light on, but we'll figure it out. So this is the room. It comes with 2 storage tables for your luggage, flat screen TV on the wall, nice wood paneling, and we have a bench, as well as a beautiful map of Jamaica above the headboard. I love this. And a wooden ceiling fan. Very, very nice touch. They're also, I love interior design. They're also recessed lighting in the room. Then you have a living area. I think this is a junior suite. We got a junior suite. So this is the living area. You have a seat, a chair, a desk to get some work done with some paintings along the wall. And then, show this feature, Ty. We have an amazing feature here. To enter the balcony, there are French sliding doors. So you can get fresh breeze. You can use the sheer curtains if you like, and this leads you out to the balcony. They're sanitizing the grounds. This is our view. We have a pool view, a partial ocean view. What I love here, let's take it back inside because you can't see me. I mean, hear me. I just noticed an amazing lamp. A floor lamp here. I love this lamp. I think this is gorgeous. It looks like it's like a linen. Oh yes, it is linen. A pleated linen lampshade. And it's a floor lamp. Let's see. There we go. Brings a little extra light to the room. I love the frame on this mirror. It's very, very cute. And the furniture choices are nice and modern. This looks like an outdoor fabric. Like it can be used on the balcony as well. I guess because it's so close to the balcony entrance, you can get that wet without a problem. Please excuse my purse. I have all my travel documents and stuff like that in here. I'm gonna lock that up pretty soon. And this is pretty much an overview of the entire room. Excuse some of the luggage, my son's luggage. But this is it. This is Trelawney at the Ocean Coral Springs Hotel. Excuse all my luggage, but we've been here for a while, so you have to bring a lot of luggage. Love the paneling on the walls. It's really, really nice. So yeah, I'll give you a tour of the actual resort, but nice, good lighting in the bathroom. It is very well lit. I like it here. Very nice hotel. It's fairly new. I think it's a year. Yeah, it's a year and a month old as of right now in February of 2021. Yeah, so it must have opened not too long ago. All right, see you guys soon. Bye. So this is the bedroom. One more time, I forgot to show you guys the bathrobes that they gave us. Here's the full bed. The ceiling fan is now off, so you can see the wooden fan. Still need to unpack a little, but just came back to show you the robes on the bed. They also added beach towels to the bench as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.